Alright, so sadly enough, today is Sunday. No chance of rain, so there's 100% chance. Oh my god. Yep, giving someone back house. Cool up. So what shall I do? Count up 9 a.m. Tano na kaya kung mga 10 because before JB was summoned the singing laundry, all girls never next door, which is I am fear girls. I mean the ones that I have a fear of girls singing voice with vibrato. Wow. So what shall I do? Makaon na breakfast mga 9. Makato sa kitchen. Walang video kumautong by J. Pwede sa ha 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 ha. Then, tudap matoplas ak. Then, maparigo kay makadto ak sa miyesan yan. Then, pag 10, abe, mata na kay ko. Ay, look, 10 to 11 a.m. Girls never next door. 11 to 12 noon will be singing laundry. And 12 noon to 1 p.m. back house. 4 to 6 p.m. loud house. Or 5 to 6. Yes, same as to past singers. 12 to 1. Girls house store 12 to 2 p.m. Girls kitchen 6 to 7 p.m. Me, it depends. Kay sadto, I do video game marathon. And then my falsetto just keep getting worse and worse by fun. So yeah, makaw na mga na in JV summons. No, tumawan sang kasogan sa uwan. Wipag yung Quiapo naman. Sigato na sa gawas naman dito sa China. Quiapo go to China and beat us all in Wuhan City.